Hello, welcome to the Unquiet Libraries video tutorial on how to add an article from Encyclopedia Britannica into your EasyBib account. You'll need to have your Britannica article open, and you'll also need to have your bibliography open in your project in EasyBib. There are two ways to go about adding this article. The first option is to click on Cite Article, which will take you to the bottom of the screen, and then press Export Citations. This will generate a .txt text file that EasyBib can read. You're going to save it, and just as we have with our other documents, give it a unique name. In this case, Britannica generates one for you. We'll leave it as a text document, and then we will press Save. Once you close that file, go into EasyBib and click on the Database tab. We're going to upload, and we're going to go get that text file. Again, it may take just a moment for your screen to reload. Browse to where you've saved your file. In this case, I've put mine on the desktop, so there's our ICOR. I'm going to open it. Make sure you have sent it to the appropriate list, and then press Import. It may take EasyBib just a moment to process your request. You can scroll down and check the file status. Click on Show Bibliography once it says it is finished loading the file. And you may need to scroll down to see the updates. I'm going to press Show Bibliography, and that Britannica article should show up on your bibliography list once the page reloads itself. I'm going to scroll down, and here it is. Now, the problem that you may see with this article is that the citation may appear to be a little bit incomplete. We've discovered that some Britannica data files are not as clean or as thorough as others. So if you get to this and you notice that the title of the database, in this case Encyclopedia Britannica, is missing and it looks a bit incomplete, you can either press Edit and manually make the updates, or you have a second choice. The second choice is to simply copy and paste the pre-MLA formatted citation. This is similar to the way that we go about getting the entry from SIRS. You can do this by copying the entire text, and again, you may have to highlight from left to right or right to left. Make sure that you grab all of the text. If you have difficulty, you can always manually type in any pieces that you have difficulty capturing. This is sometimes problematic in Internet Explorer. We can go back to EasyBib, and if you want to use the copy and paste method, simply go to Database, press Copy and Paste, and then put that entry in. This method tends to be slightly cleaner for the Britannica articles as opposed to importing the data file. It doesn't work quite as perfectly as it does with Gale or as smoothly as some of our EBSCO databases. Once you create the citation, your entry should be imported correctly. And as you can see, this looks a little bit cleaner. Again, we can always go in, and if we've missed something, in this case I realize, oops, I'm missing a quotation mark because I didn't copy and paste that correctly. I can always go in and manually edit that entry and make any corrections. You can also make adjustments to spelling if you feel that something is incorrect here. And again, I'm just going to back up to the beginning of the entry, correct the mistake I made, and then update it. The limitation of using the copy and paste method is that at this time, the parenthetical reference will not be automatically generated for you when you're ready to draft. If you notice, if I click on parenthetical here, it will not show me what should go inside the parenthetical reference. With a resource that I have imported that data file, such as Gale Opposing Viewpoints, excuse me, I should be hitting parenthetical, not edit, I apologize. When you click on the parenthetical, and I want to go back one, just a moment, then you can actually see the video, or excuse me, the parenthetical reference. And again, it may take just a moment for your screen to reload, depending on your network speed. As you can see here, now I have the parenthetical reference already indicated. It's your choice how you want to go about adding the Britannica file, but those are the pros and cons of export versus copy and paste. Thank you for taking time to watch our video tutorial on adding Britannica articles to EasyBib.